Today we talk about how can you log out of your account on your Waplog app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just click on this sign down here, just click on it. So then here it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on account settings, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on log out, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you out of your account on your Waplog app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.